Hi, my name's Sue. I'm a cosmetic tattooist and I'm the person that's going to help you with your hair loss problem. I've been working with men and women since about 2017 now, and I specialise in scalp tattooing, otherwise known as SMP. It's a fantastic treatment and it's just can really help you with the way that you feel about yourself, your confidence levels, your self-esteem, things like that. It's just such an amazing treatment. So how does it work? Well, I tattoo in between the hair. So if you feel that your parting is just too wide, or you feel like that your hair is too thin around here, I work in between the hair and I use little tiny needles and I tattoo little tiny dots. So it just camouflages the amount of scalp that's on show. It's a permanent treatment. And it means that you won't have to keep spraying in those sprays that make a mess all over your pillow and things like that. So come along and see me and let's have a chat and let me explain the procedure to you and see where we go from there.